Hello guys, welcome. So today we'll be creating an animating sound effect icon in Figma. So let's get right into it. First things first, we'll draw a frame, making sure that the sides are equal. So I used 240 by 240 for the sides, for the dimensions of the frame, and then I give it a color. You can use any color of your choice. I just picked the color from a project I was already working on. Now we'll draw another frame. So we want the frame we're drawing now is for the sound, the movement of the sound. The sides doesn't have to be equal, just the way I'm doing it. And then we'll give the top part of our frame corner radius. We'll use 50-50 for the left and the right top corners, and then I used corner smoothing to make it look aesthetically pleasing. Now we'll duplicate the frame that we've done the second time. We'll duplicate it twice and then give it equal spacing. Afterwards, we'll copy and duplicate the entire frame we've created. I copied and duplicated mine 6 times because we'll have to do something to that. Just stay with me. Now after duplicating this 6 times, I adjusted the length of the frame. Give it random sizing. There's no specific sizing to this. You can use your discretion to give it whatever length, height you want it to take. I just did mine randomly. Now after doing this, select the entire frame and create a component set. So after creating a component set, we'll prototype the entire frame, giving it an after delay of 50 ms, and then set it to smart animate, ease in and out. Give that 50 ms too. You do that for the entire thing, and at the last frame you return it back to the beginning so that it goes like an entire loop, just as you can see in the video. After doing this, you take an instance of the frame you've drawn, reduce the size. So I reduced it, I scaled it down to 24, and then I imputed it where I wanted it in my design. Afterwards, I prototyped it. Ta-da! Here's our animating sound effect. Simple. You can do